Namaste friends, very good morning. Let's start with the session. Please close your eyes. We'll do first gratitude. As I say, gratitude is very powerful thing. Thank you, my dear parents. Thank you for bringing me on this world. Thank you, Almighty God, for making us such a wonderful world. Thank you, birds. Thank you, environment. Thank you, Mother Earth. Thank you for such a wonderful life. Thank you for such a wonderful body. Thank you for a system, heart, lungs, kidney, liver. Thank you. All the systems we have. Friends, as I say, you all can be thankful to three things: people around you, Mother Nature, things, Almighty God. And this is the fundamental. If you want to be happy and healthy in life, if you want to be happy and healthy in life, you have something or not. If you are in gratitude, in humbleness, grounded, it's my guarantee that your life will change by 360-degree. And if you have everything, money, everything, but if you're not in gratitude, not possible. So thank you so much. Thank you. Affirmation, as you all know how to write it. Already I had explained you all how to write the gratitude. Okay, so gratitude is clear to you all. So first thing, do anything or not. Morning gratitude is very necessary. So we have completed the gratitude part, and now we are going to the next part, that is affirmations, right? So affirmation, as I said, it has to be in present continuous tense, and always write the affirmations in present continuous tense. So after the affirmations, my dear friend, third thing is the goal writing. Every day you have to write the goal, which is very necessary. Fourth thing, after the goal writing, evening when you are about to sleep, before sleeping, write the victory log book. And fifth notebook, already I had told you all to write down, that is the health journal. Yeah, you have to write the health journal every day. What you are eating, what you are drinking, okay, kind of the food, because it's about your body and your food, right? So these five things I hope is clear to you all. And now I'm going to talk about a secret, and that is very important. Why some people fall sick and why some people are healthy. Why some people get the result by the same methodology and why some people don't get the result by the same methods. Why some people are sick throughout the life and why some people are healthy whatever they are eating. Why some people are healthy, why some people are wealthy. They don't work a lot for the money. They enjoy the life. Money is coming to them. They are just with the friends and the friend says, अरे ये ऑफर है, विल यू डू दैट? हाँ, कितने का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है? अरे वो 2 करोड़ का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, तो तेरे को करना है क्या? हाँ, मिला दे. And then within a few minutes they go, they meet that, and the person says, हाँ, ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, करना है, are you interested? He says, हाँ, and they sign the contract. Within 5 minutes, the 2 crore contract has been signed. Immediately, he picks up the phone and tell his one other person, ये contract मैंने लिया है, and you have to just do the arrangements and get it done. That's all done. Okay, so he is free. He is free. He is not running behind the money. Money is coming to him. I had seen many of my friends. They have 30, 40 parallel businesses, and the whole day they are free. Whole day they are free. They just get the call, they give it to somebody, they are free. That's all they are doing. All on the contracts, all on the contracts. On some are the payroll, some are the contracts. So what I'm trying to tell you, my dear friends, suppose some people have work on the health. They want the result on the health, right? Let's say somebody comes to you and says that I have to lose weight. Okay. And you give a simple strategy to them. Now out of 100, 90 may get the result. Wonderful results, as I shared with you all, right? This case, within 5 days, the hemoglobin has gone up by 1.3 or more than that. And creatinine has gone down by 0.5, right? 8.5 to 8.0. I'm getting a wonderful results. One of my participant has lost weight around 5 kg within a week, right? It's not about the weight loss, weight gain. Again, I'm telling you all. It's all about the why some people get the result, why some people don't get. The reason behind that is very, very simple, and that is paying the price. Very simple line, paying the price. Now, paying the price doesn't mean only money part. It has many other dimensions. First thing is, let's say somebody tells you something, and then behind your mind it comes, अच्छा, इसमें तो ये बोला ही नहीं. He did not tell this. He did not say that. He did not say that. Right? And when they start thinking too much, okay, thinking too much. My coach always says, Siddharth, he says that analysis paralysis. The moment you start doing a lot of analysis and paralysis, what happens? You didn't get the result. You can't do it. You can't do it with the whole heart. Okay, some people question, sir, in these 5 days, so you did not give us omega 3, omega this, omega that, B12, blah, 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 all that stuff. Now, when I ask them, you know this, nah? Then why you are not getting the results? Nah, but now please understand. Please understand, very important. Your way or my way. Right? Whenever you're going to someone, either you follow what he says or you follow what you want to do. You cannot have a third option. And this is the problem with this 10% people, those who are trying this, nor your way, nor my way. Nor your way, nor my way. What does it mean? They have a very smartness. Huh? They says, I don't follow somebody blindly. I think, I decide, then I take the decision. Okay, absolutely fine. I'm not saying no, yes or no. But friends, just I'm asking you all. When your mother cooks something and gives it to you, do you question her? Do you question? Anytime, इसमें poison तो नहीं डाला है. Let me check with the doggy. I will first feed the doggy. If there is no problem with the doggy, then only I will eat. Will you tell this to your mother or father? Type in the chat box if you think so. Type in the chat box. I'm just asking you all. Just asking you a simple thing. Will you question this your parents? Not at all, right? You will not question this. Same way, when Mother Nature is giving you something, let's say you get the cucumber. Now you have to trust on cucumber or you have to trust on the pill or the medicine which comes in a packet form. Type in the chat box, whom to trust better? Mother Nature has given you cucumber. Mother Nature has given you coconut. There you have a question mark. Sir, will I get the desired minerals from cucumber or the coconut or the watermelon or the papaya or this or this? What about vitamin B12? What about vitamin D? What about calcium? What about zinc? What about this? Can anybody tell me exactly that fats are not present in bottle gourd? What is the composition in tomato? All the ingredients. Is there only 1 or 2 ingredient in tomato? Do you think so? Is there only 1 or 2 ingredient in cucumber? Do you think so? Some lower higher can be there. It's a nature's way of dealing the things. You don't have to use your brains. If a person have only cucumber, then also his health may be improved. It's not like that. Don't think too much. These people have the question, and that's why they don't get the results. That is why they don't get the results. They think a lot. Analysis paralysis, analysis paralysis, analysis paralysis. And what happens? Their image in the home also is of nothing. Family members tells only on the experimentation, burning the money like anything. Why they are burning the money like anything? Because neither they have trust on themselves nor they have trust on the other person. My rules are very simple. Either trust yourself or trust the other person. When you have the gut feeling, trust on yourself. Don't have the gut feeling, trust on the other person. In between, nothing comes. In between, nothing comes. Either you sleep or you don't sleep. If you agree with me, what I'm saying is, please type in the chat box, agree. Because this is the only way of life. Either it happens or it doesn't happen. Either you sleep or you don't sleep. Either you eat or you don't eat. You cannot say, no, no, sir, I'm eating. Can you try to eat? Nobody can try to eat. Either they will eat or they will don't eat. And this is the problem where people don't get the results. Either you have to do or you don't have to do. You can't say that I'm trying to do it. Trying to do means there's a question mark. So paying the price, it may be in the term of dedication, it may be in the terms of money, it may be any terms. You can get the result only. You can get the result only and only. It's your life. You decide. My dear friends, I'm just requesting you all the folded hands. You take a call, but take a call to suffer or to live. Don't live with the suffering. That is not the way of life. मैं तो बिस्तर पे पड़े पड़े कलज कलज के जीऊंगा. That is your way of life. इस पार और उस पार. Very well said. Very well said. इस पार और उस पार. Correct. Absolutely correct. That is what the life is all about. Do it or don't do it. And then only you can get the result for anything. You want to have Parle-G biscuit? Very simple. Go to the shop, give 5 rupees, have Parle-G and enjoy it. So result is only about action. And action can come only by the gratitude and faith. When you go to somebody and if you see, I'm just talking about the any right? Sattvic Lifestyle Hub, right? People are getting result. 95% people are getting result. They are following 30-day challenge and they are sharing that my medicine have been reduced, my this has been reduced, my BP has been controlled. So many testimonials are there. But still there are 3 to 5% people they are saying I'm not able to do. Why they are not able to do? Because they don't have trust. They don't have gratitude. When they don't have the trust, don't have the gratitude, they don't follow. Simple thing. And food science, very simple rule. If you don't do anything, now my dear friends, one simple thing you can do is you can have more and more raw and one time grain. Morning time have juices, maybe vegetable or fruits. Afternoon have the cooked food, 80% vegetable, 20% grains. Do not mix multiple grains. Very simple, basic, fundamental. Evening time, you can have raw, juice, anything. Now, when I say you can have these things, there's no confusion at all. Today, you want to have coconut. Okay, either in the coconut water or maybe coconut milk, anything. Tomorrow, you want to have almonds, no problem. One day, you can have cashew nut, no problem. Afternoon, you want to have rice khichdi, have rice khichdi, no problem. You want to have millet khichdi, have millet khichdi. You want to have palak and khichdi, make that. One day you can have a bottle gourd khichdi, make that. One day you feel that, no, I want to eat pineapple. Yesterday somebody was asking me, sir, I want to eat pineapple. How much I can eat? I said, how much you can eat? Tell me. Sir, 1 kg I can eat. I said, okay, eat 2 kgs, no problem. No problem, absolutely no problem. I had asked the people to have 15 coconut water in a day and they are absolutely fine, no problem. 5 in the morning at 7 o'clock, 5 in the afternoon around 2 o'clock, and 5 in the evening around 7 o'clock. That's all done. Absolutely no problem. Problem comes only when you mix up a lot of things. Mix up a lot of things. It's not my saying. Okay, it's all the research. You can hear from many gurus and they will tell you what are the powers of having mono things, right? Do not mix a lot of things. Yesterday, one incident I want to share with you all. One lady has a very high BP. Okay, and she called me and around 6 o'clock and she said, sir, my BP is 144 and 160. What to do? I said, it's normal. Don't worry about it. It is happening because yesterday you had a lot of cooked food and the salts which are there that are interfering. Okay, sir, but it's very high. What to do? I said, okay, let's do one thing. Very simple thing I'm telling you. Okay, just do this. I asked her to have water and lemon. Okay, 1 glass. And I asked her to give me 2 hours, only 2 hours. Okay, so 1 hour. So 6 o'clock we had a word. I asked her to have water and lemon water. Okay, and I asked her to share the BP at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock again I asked her to share the BP, and the BP was 102 and 140. Now she is surprised. Sir, how he can drop by 42 this much within an hour? My dear friends, this is what the nature does. It's not about you, it's not about me, it's about the nature and the body. Blood pressure decreased by how much? 42 approximately, 142 to 102. So by 40, how much time? 1 hour. Everything is possible. Everything is possible. You can get the result within this fraction of seconds. But the only condition is, are you ready to pay the price? Either you can be in the complaining mode or you can be in a gratitude mode. With folded hands, my dear friends, I request you all. Miracles are going to happen. But the only condition is, are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Just you have to follow 100%. There is no rocket science. No rocket science, nothing. Everyone in this planet has the right to live a healthy life. Those who are going for the kidney problems, kidney damages, if you go for dialysis, what will happen? Is it a permanent solution? You think, I'm not saying anything, right? You take your own call. If you go for the kidney transplant, is that a permanent solution? If you go for a bypass, is that a permanent solution? Can anybody guarantee you that after the kidney transplant, you will be 100% all right? You take a call. I'm nobody. I'm not the right person to tell you anything. Whatever I'm saying, I'm just sharing the knowledge. I'm not here to replace some doctors or somebody else. No. I'm just giving you the awareness what Mother Nature does. In nature, nature has its own information. Nature has its own way of working. And I want you all to make friendship with the nature. Learn from the nature directly. Don't use too much of your brains. You will get the result. It's my guarantee. And you will get results very quickly. Otherwise, what will happen? You will suffer from the health. Your image will be maligned in the family. ये तो कुछ सुनती ही नहीं है, सुनता ही नहीं है, राइट है, खाली पैसे बेकार करता है, ये कोर्स वो कोर्स वो कोर्स वो कोर्स. You will get depressed. You will find someone that मेरे को motivation चाहिए, मेरे को motivation चाहिए, right? Why you want motivation, my dear friends? All the great people who have done something, they all had a dream. They all had a dream. And they are ready to pay the price and they know how the mind works. Only 3 ingredients are there. They had a dream, what they want. They all have the planning for that action, I can say, right? And they all know how to use the mind. Whenever negative comes in the mind, they always tell the mind, no, I will do it. Very simple. And you have to be consistent. You have to be consistent. You cannot get result by, suppose I take something and I add some water and in between I put off the flame. Will I able to cook completely? Will I get the food properly? Not at all. Completion is very, very important. You join any course. Let's say you are in 30-day challenge. Let's take a case, right? 30-day challenge, you are inside the 30-day challenge and you watched one video and then you stopped. Today, my dear friends, after the session, I want you all to go through all 30 days videos, all 30-day videos. At least have a look. You have paid price for that, right? You had purchased the course. When you don't watch it, don't follow it, and then at the end you say that I'm not getting any result. My dear friends, please, my humble request. It's not about the purchasing a course. It's all about reading it, understanding it, making notes and following it. In Sattvic Lifestyle Hub, all those people who are getting result, one thing is very, very common. They all had a dream. They all are watching the videos. They all are writing the notes. Whenever I talk to them, I ask them, how you got the result? They say, sir, I'm watching the video again and again. I'm making a lot of notes and I'm following it. They will get the result, my dear friends. They will 101% get the result. Their BP has gone down. They have become medicine free. But when the people say, I'm not getting results, what to do? And then I ask them, did you watch all the videos that is in 30-day challenge? They say, no, sir. How they want the result? Because see, before action, your mind should get ready first. Action is not a big deal, my dear friends. Action comes within fraction of seconds. You have to make lemon and water. Go take water, make lemon, squeeze lemon in that and drink it. But that analysis paralysis. Acha, so will this give me vitamin B12? Will this give me omega? Will this give me this? Will this give me this? Will this give me? Can you people really work on all this stuff? Vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin K, all this, so much of information, so much of knowledge. Not possible technically, my dear friends. So very simple request for all of you. Very, very humble request to all of you. Miracles are going to happen. There is no question about it. The only thing is that, are you ready for it? Okay. So my dear friends, it will take time. It will take time, because if you see, every seed has a time, right? Some seeds takes 1 year to complete blossom. Some takes, like mango takes 5 years. Some plants may be of 10 years. Depending on your ailment, depending on your mind belief, not about the body. It takes time, my dear friends. It takes time. It takes time. But my only request is, please, please, please be soft on your body. It's a gift. It's a valuable gift. Okay, don't pop in with so many medicine and abuse it. Humble request to all of you. Don't abuse this body. इस body ने आपका कुछ बिगाड़ा नहीं है. ये body में आप रहने वाले हो. इसी में रहोगे, इसी को तकलीफ दोगे, then what will happen, my dear friend? Think about it. जहां वो बोलते हैं ना, जिस थाली में खाया उसी में छेद किया. जिस शरीर में रहा उसी शरीर को अब्यूज किया, उसी की वाट लगाई. हाँ, जिस शरीर में रहा उसी की वाट लगा दी. Does it sounds good? Just type in the chat box. Does it sounds good? How does it makes you feel? So sad ना. And then we call we are very smart. मैंने ये कोर्स ज्वाइन किया, मैंने यहाँ पढ़ा, मैंने वहां पढ़ा, मैंने ये सीखा, मैंने वो सीखा. What is the use of it, my dear friends? Just a simple small question to all of you. मेरा एक लर्निंग है सिंपल सा, जो अपने शरीर का नहीं हो सकता वो किसी का नहीं हो सकता. Yeah, it's very, very important, my dear friends. People are so much. जो अपने शरीर का नहीं वो किसी का नहीं. And they all have to think कि मेरे को क्या करना है लाइफ में बॉडी के साथ. It is very, very important. So my dear friends, every day ना, just give 5 minutes. 5 minutes talk to yourself. मैंने किया मेरे साथ, मैंने किया. जब कोई काम नहीं कर रहा था ना, तो I started working on myself. The best thing you can do is work on yourself. Nothing else. Nothing else. That's the only thing you all can do. Coming from 110 to 75, I'm not talking about the weight loss. I'm talking about the fitness. Work on the fitness. When work on the holistic way, sustainable way. So I just want to sum up within last 2 minutes. Okay. So to get the results, you have to pay the price. Now, price can be in different way. Price can be in the terms of complete surrender, gratitude, humbleness, completing the task. 99.99 is not completion. 100% is completion. Okay. So pay the price. Very important. Today, homework for you all or task for you all is, find out whatever you have started. Have you completed it? Simple. Find out 10 tasks you started and did you complete it? And if not, set the priority, complete it one by one, you will get the result. Healthy body, healthy mind is a by default thing. You don't have to do anything extra for that. You don't have to use your brains for that. Okay. It is very, very simple thing, my dear friend. It's my guarantee. If you follow the simple. Morning can have raw juice, whatever you want. Afternoon, you can have a grain, maybe composite roti, maybe khichdi, maybe anything. You can add ghee also if you want. It's totally up to you. You take a call. It's your body, my dear friends. You'll get the result. Only request is I feel very good when people are healthy, people dance, people laugh, people smile. I feel very sad when they can't walk, they are lying on the bed, they are crying, they are cursing the God, they are cursing the people, they are cursing the नसीब, मेरे नसीब खराब है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता my dear friends. There is nothing like that. कोई नसीब नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं. There is only action and reaction. Only action and reaction. Whatever you are getting because of your actions, please accept it. Please accept it. पानी में नमक डालेंगे तो वो नमकीन होगा, वो मीठा नहीं होगा. इट इज वेरी सिंपल साइंस. पानी में शक्कर डालेंगे तो वो कैसा होगा? मीठा होगा. इट विल नॉट बिकम सॉल्टी. वेरी सिंपल साइंस माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. If you're not getting result on your health or wealth or relationship, that clearly means you have to change your actions. One simple line. So hope you will all start working on it. Okay, take right action, pay the price in terms of maybe money exchange. Don't take things free from anybody. That remains only information. That remains only information. That will not give you result, my dear friends. Pay and take the action. Pay and take the action. That will give you 100% results. Long back I was also searching this book, that book, this video, that video. But book, when I do, I pay the price. Right? Everywhere we have to do some exchange. Very, very important. So that's all for the day. It's 7:30 now. Hardly 1 minute left. So thank you so much, my dear friends. So 5 books, as I said, gratitude is the foundation of everything. So gratitude is important. Affirmations, victory logbook, goal writing, and fifth, your health journal. What is going well with you? What is not going well with you? Write down every day, and you all can share with me whatever the challenges are there, whatever the problems. My only dream is Sukhmay Sansar. I smile, you smile. I enjoy the life, you also enjoy the life. I am happy, you also become happy. Right? That's all, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Thank you.